I have a little issue with my doors. You see, they are still open when they are not locked. And I would like to seal the outside world from the inside world, even when they are not locked. So I came up with this solution. I 3D printed a little bit of plastic and combined it with neodymium magnets, and voila! It works like a charm. No need to lock the doors, and you can freely pass from outside to the inside. When the kids won't go in, they just open the doors. The magnet fits perfectly. The 3D printed part holds them in the place, so they will not fall off. And 2 screws anchor this part to the door.